Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming. This is my Boxycharm Premium box, $35 monthly. I have canceled this. I was actually not sure if I was going to get it. So let's make this quick. If you want to see what's in this premium box for 35 bucks, stay tuned. Here it is. You're supposed to have 7 to 8 full-size products, and it looks like that. So right on top is the card. It is Harvest for the month of November. This is variation number 5. I have actually seen this variation. So right on top they put the palette, this Elena L palette. It is, let's see, $50 unveiled artistry palette. This will go in a giveaway. So let's see. Nice satin vibes. Very pretty package. And the shades are on here. So here they are. Very pretty. You got the shimmers on the top, mattes on the bottom. $50 seems like a lot for this palette. Is the Dose of Color. I haven't gotten anything. Lock and Key, it says. And $20. Block Party Single Eyeshadow. So this will also go in a giveaway. Very cute package. Color is Block Party, and it looks like a gold shimmer. Very pretty. Next is the Real Her. This is the lip liner duo. This is $25. So this one is I Am Confident. Very nice brown. And Be Yourself. Be Real Her. And these are the 2 shades. Very pretty. Next is Ilia. And this is $28 Color Block High Impact Lipstick in Amber Light. We have a set of 2 cosmetics. $25 skincare brush set, and you have a cleansing brush and a dual-sided silicone mask applicator. So there's that. The last thing is the Grown Alchemist, which is valued at $125. It's a detox night cream, 1.35 fluid ounces. We know that this brand is very expensive. That's what it looks like. So let me know what you guys think about my variation. I got the Grown Alchemist. I got skincare brushes. I got the Ilia lipstick. The 2 lip liners from Real Her. Dose of Color eyeshadow. And the Il Masca palette. Is it worth $35? You let me know. Stay safe, guys.